Good morning, students. So, in the previous classes, we discussed about the internal structure of human heart and regarding the blood vessels. So, today we will discuss about the cardiac cycle. So, what do you mean by cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle means heartbeat. So, one heartbeat comprises one contraction and one relaxation. So, when we are in the mother's womb at the 21st day of the embryonic development, the heart starts beating. So, this beating continues till the death of the person. So, when this beating stops, so there will be no life in the person. So, this heartbeat, it has two phases. One is contraction phase and the other one is relaxation phase. So, the contraction phase is called as lung and the relaxation phase is called as dum. So, now we discuss about the different stages of this heartbeat or cardiac cycle. So, in this cardiac cycle, it contains three stages. The first one is auricular contraction. Auricular contraction. So, what will happen in the auricular contraction? At first, all the four chambers, all the four subchambers. This is the heart, you think. So, this is the left auricle, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Right? So, at first, all the four chambers are relaxed. So, in the contraction of the auricular contraction, both these auricles, left or right auricle and the left auricle, they receive the blood from the vena cava and the pulmonary vein. So, when these two contract, the blood enters to the ventricles. The blood enters into the ventricles through tricuspid and bicuspid valves. When both the auricles contract, the blood enters into the ventricles through tricuspid and bicuspid valves. So here, when it enters into the ventricles, these valves, these tricuspid and bicuspid valves, they get closed. So when the ventricles start contraction, the blood wants to go to the auricles. So this blood hits the valves with a sound. So you get that sound is called as lung. That sound is called as lung. The second one is called as ventricular contraction. So during the ventricular contraction, when both ventricles they contract, so the blood from the right ventricle and left ventricle enters into the arteries, pulmonary artery and systemic artery, through the pulmonary valve and the systemic valve. So when the blood enters into the arteries, this valve gets closed. This aortic valve and the pulmonary valve, they get closed. So then when they will relax, when these ventricles will relax, again the blood wants to come back. So they hit the valves with a big sound. That sound is called as dum. That sound is called as dum. So in this way, contractional phase, the sound will be lung. The relaxation and the ventricular contraction, you get the sound that is called as dum. Lung, dum. Then the third phase is called as ventricular relaxation. So when the ventricles relax, again the auricles will start contract. So the blood again enters into the auricles. In this way, it occurs continuously from the birth to the death. So one auricular contraction, so it takes 0.11 to 0.15 of the article, the time taken will be 0.11 to 0.14 seconds. Like that, for ventricular contraction, it takes 0.27 to 0.35 seconds. And for the relaxation of both auricles and ventricles, they will take 0.4 seconds. And for the completion of one cardiac cycle, it takes 0.8 seconds. Okay, all of you understood? Again, I will tell you, listen. One cardiac cycle or heartbeat, it comprises two stages, contraction and relaxation. One contraction relaxation is called as heartbeat. So this heartbeat involves three stages. You can write four stages also. The first one is called as contraction of auricles. The second one is called contraction of ventricles, and the third one is relaxation of ventricles. So during auricular contraction, both the auricles will contract and the blood enters into the ventricles. So at that time, the tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, they get closed. So when the ventricles contract, the blood, instead of entering into the arteries, it wants to go back. So it will hit the valves with a forcefully. The sound is called as lug. So during ventricular contraction, the blood from the ventricles enters into the arteries. So at that time, both the valves get closed. So when the ventricles start relax, so the blood from the arteries, it wants to come back. So at that time, what will happen? The pressure will be very less in the arteries. Then you get a weak sound. That sound is called as the drum. Then the cycle again starts. So this is about the cardiac cycle. Now we will discuss about the how this heartbeat relates to the weight of the body. You see, the blue whale. So blue whale, its body weight is 1,50,000 kgs, and the weight of the heart is 750 kgs, and it beats 7 times per minute. In 1 minute, the heart beats only for 7 times. And for the elephant, its weight is 3,000 kgs, and the weight of the heart is 12 to 21 kgs, and the heart beats 46 times per minute. For 1 minute, it beats 46 times. Like that, for man, our weight will be 60 to 70 kgs, and the weight of the heart is 300 grams. Our heart weight is approximately 300 grams, and it beats nearly 76 times per minute. Then colt-tit. Colt-tit is the smallest bird. So you know its weight is 8 grams. Only the weight is 8 grams, and the heart's weight is 0.15 grams, and the heart beats 1200 times per minute. Just imagine. So as the weight increases, the heartbeat decreases. As the weight decreases, the heartbeat increases. So this is the today's session. We will discuss about the single circulation and double circulation tomorrow.